कोरियंस काफ़ी एक्सप्रेसिव है एंड हैंड जेस्चर्स वहाँ पे काफ़ी पॉपुलर है. Let's check out 2 such widely used hand gestures in Korea. Come over here. In India, when we want to call someone to come towards us, we usually hold out our hand, palm facing up, and move the fingers towards ourselves. But point to remember, this is considered very rude in Korea. In Korea, if you want to call someone towards you, you hold out their hand, palm facing down, and then wave the fingers inwards. Hi, could you please come over here? Showing directions. When someone in Korea is asking you for directions, there are 2 ways to show the right way. Please go this way when you're just showing directions and come right this way when they are following you. तो अगली बार जब आप कोरिया में हो, don't forget to use these gestures to communicate. See you soon!